Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day and happy new year. This is my first video for 2020, so I wanted to wish you all a happy new year, even though we are well and truly into January now. But I hope your January is going really well so far, and yeah, happy new year. If you're new here as well, thank you very much for popping along and joining me. My name's Steph and I do lots of unboxing videos, but I also do tons of Lush videos, and today is indeed a Lush video. It is all about their new Valentine's Day and spring range. So normally at the beginning of January Lush release their Valentine's Day range, but this year they've kind of changed things up a little bit and they have also released a spring range. So basically what's going to happen is the Valentine's Day range products are going to stay till kind of the end of February, where Valentine's Day is done and dusted, and the spring range is going to last a little bit longer, so that's going to stay in stores until kind of spring's here. There's kind of no date, no one could tell me a date. But there are a few products as well that are going to become kind of full all year round products as well, which is really exciting. So make sure you kind of keep an eye online and have a chat with people in store. They'll be able to tell you a little bit more information kind of about dates and when things are staying in store for. But because there are two ranges, there's quite a lot of products here to show you. But I'm going to kickstart things off with Valentine's Day because I really like the Valentine's Day products. They're quite cute. So yeah, I'm going to start off with Valentine's. First of all, I'm going to start off with bath bombs. So we've got two returning ones. First of all, we have got the Aubergine and we have also got the Peach. So these are designed to look like little emojis. You can think they look like whatever you would like to think they look like. But this is an Aubergine and this is a Peach. They're really cute. They're quite hefty as well, especially the Peach is really big. These were out last year. I do like the designs and they smell really nice as well. The Aubergine is my favourite. This is 29 High Street scented, so if you haven't tried that scent before, basically it's meant to sell like what a Lush shop smells like. So if you walked into a Lush store and that smell that hits you, that is what this bath bomb is meant to smell like. It's one of my all-time favourite Lush scents. Can be quite overpowering, but actually this is quite nice. I really like this bath bomb anyway. I really enjoyed it last year. And the Peach as well. This one's quite a fresh, fruity scent. Obviously it smells like peaches, it's very fruity, it's quite fresh and just really nice and fruity. I also like how big this bath bomb is, and it's got quite a lot of glitter on there and luster. I really like the design of that. So that is two returning bath bombs for this year. We have also got the Love Boat, which has come back. This has been around for a couple of years now, I think. I love this one. I wasn't actually going to pick one up and then I ended up changing my mind and getting one because I've used it before and I'm trying to be good and not get too much Lush. But this is the Love Boat. It's really sweet, and this smells very sherbety, very much like sweets. It reminds me a bit like Love Hearts and that kind of idea, but it's definitely got that kind of zingy, sherbety undertone to it. Like, it makes your nose tingle, if that makes sense. But the colours are beautiful in it, and then it's got these little tiny hearts underneath, and it kind of bobs along your water. So a really cute bath bomb for Valentine's. New one for this year in the bath bombs is actually an Amazeballs. So this is like an old design that's had a bit of a rejig, if that makes any sense. So this is the Love Locket Amazeballs. Absolutely love the design of it. I try not to tip it because the top comes off. So it's this beautiful bright pink with the blue lock there, like a little locket. Love it. And when you open it up, it has all these tiny little multicoloured hearts inside, if you can see them in there. They're so cute, so I'm really looking forward to using this one. Amazeballs came out at Christmas and I thought they were such a fab design. They are a little bit more on the pricier side of things, but they're really fun to use and they make such a beautiful display in the water, so I'm looking forward to trying this one. Scent wise, this smells like strawberry, so it's very much Lush strawberry, which is a very fresh, fruity strawberry scent, not your kind of artificial strawberry sweet scent. I really like it. There are a lot of other products that have this scent. It's got tonka in there and it's quite sweet and a very comforting scent, but yes, it's definitely very much the Lush strawberry scent. So this is their kind of new one for this year and I do think it is very cute indeed. There is one shower gel for the Valentine's Day range this year, and so many people are going to be so happy about this because it's Prince Charming. This was around a while ago, but it didn't come back last Valentine's Day range, and so many people were sad about it, including myself, because it's such a beautiful shower gel. It's this gorgeous kind of deep rose pink colour, and the scent is just stunning. It's got vanilla in there, it's got marshmallow, it's got pomegranate. So this kind of like really sweet, slightly powdery, fruity scent. I find it really comforting. It's not as sweet as kind of Snow Fairy and that kind of sweetness. It's a lot less sweet than that, but it gives you a sweet hit. So if you've got a sweet tooth, you'll still love it. Definitely worth a try if you get a chance to pop into store to give this a little smell. But that's the Prince Charming Shower Gel. These next products are all new ones for this year, which is very, very exciting. So first of all, we have got the Unicorn Lip Scrub. There are actually more new products than I thought there was when they're together, because earlier on I said there wasn't very many, but there are a few more than I thought there was. So this is a Unicorn Lip Scrub. I love Lush lip scrubs. There is also a lip scrub in the spring range. This one is really, really yummy. I've been using it all week actually. Oh, it smells so good. So it's meant to smell like blueberry muffins, and what else did it sound like? So plum pudding? I don't get that at all. I don't think it really smells like baked goods, but I definitely get blueberry, but maybe more of kind of like a blueberry slush puppy, like that kind of like sweeter blueberry scent. I really, really like it, and it's also two coloured as well. So it's this blue colour, but also lower down in the pot it is pink. Some people have said that it's two flavours. I don't know, I haven't got that far down into the tub yet, and I really didn't want to kind of scoop it out to get to the bottom, so I'll keep you posted on that one. Maybe it is. If you've tried it, let me know. Is it two flavours when you get lower down? Who knows? But that is the Unicorn Lip Scrub, and I love the packaging for that one. This here is a peach crumble. Now this is the only kind of bubble product in the Valentine's Day range. It's actually a bubble rune, so it's two halves of the bubble bar sandwiched together with all this kind of cocoa butter cream centre. It's got a real little leaf here and a twig to make the little stalk. It's really, really cute. It's obviously designed to look like the bath bomb, but the downside with this is it is only available in a gift set, so you cannot go and buy it in store individually. You have to buy it in the gift set. It is in one of the cheaper of the gift sets. If you did want to get it, it isn't in one of the big ones. It is in one called Peachy. So you get the bath bomb and bubble bar, not the weird kind of merging of the two. So you get two products in there. I think it was £13, so definitely one of the cheaper gift sets, but it's just a shame that it isn't available on its own because it is wonderful. It shares its scent with the bath bomb as well. I would say this is a little bit more fresher. It's got a slight more freshness to it, but it's still got that very fruity peach scent to it. I forgot there is one more returning bubble bar when I said there were no other returning ones. There is one more product. It is a unicorn horn. I totally forgot about it because I didn't pick it up because unfortunately I'm not a fan of it, so I didn't really see the point in buying it. But unicorn horn is back. People love it. It's a cult product. It's lavender scented, so it smells like twilight and like sleepy. So if you love those kind of lavender and tonka scented products, go get yourself a unicorn horn. It's also very, very pretty. It is a very pretty bubble bar. So there is one bubble bar out this year, and then there's the one that is in the gift set as well. We also have a massage bar for the Valentine's Day range this year. They always tend to put a massage bar in, and this year it is called Naked Attraction. It looks like a little naked person with their little bum, but it doesn't have a head. I'm not really sure what's happened to their head. They've been decapitated. But this one smells like jasmine, so it's a very soft, sensual, slightly floral scent. I really like this scent. I really like jasmine, especially as I've got older. It's kind of a scent I found myself liking more and more. You don't have to use them as massage bars either. I use these as kind of like a body lotion after a bath or shower. They're very, very moisturising, a little bit like a body oil. Really, really enjoyed to use them like this. And this one's not as melty as they normally are. It's quite hot in my room right now and it's not melting at all, which is quite unusual because they tend to melt really, really quickly. But this one's not too bad. Last two products for the Valentine's Day range are soaps. So we have got the Peachy soap and we have got the Aubergine soap. So these are made to match the bath bombs. The Aubergine one smells the same. It smells like 29 High Street, which I really, really like. It's a beautiful size. I like the colours on it. And the scent's nice and strong on that one, so that's lovely. The peachy one's a little bit smaller than I was expecting, but maybe it's just because the bath bomb is so big, but you only get half, the other side is flat, so it is quite a small soap for the price. This again smells like the bath bombs. It smells actually a little bit more peachy than the bath bomb does, but the same idea. It's that peach, very fresh, very fruity scent. So yeah, that is this year's Valentine's Day range. Lots of wonderful products, and now I'm going to move straight on to the spring range. So lots of products in the spring range as well. I really like the spring range. I'm not sure if it means it's going to be a Mother's Day range as well, or kind of what the spring range is, but it's here and I love it and I'm really enjoying it. So first of all, we have got a couple of bath bombs. I've not picked these up because they were out last year as part of the Mother's Day range and I kind of tried them before, but Floating Flowers is part of the spring range and so is the Rose Butterfly. So they were both out last year. They're both beautiful bath bombs. Floating Flower is a gorgeous kind of blue colour and it's got the flower on the top of it, and that one is a very kind of lavendery, herbal, quite sweet scent, and then Rose Butterfly is rose and lemon. Again, a very beautiful butterfly shaped bath bomb. It's very pretty, but they've brought them back as part of the spring range, which is very exciting. And then they've also brought out Tingle body conditioner. Again, I've not picked any up because I'm trying to be quite good on my Lush, and it's the same or very similar to Chris Tingle body conditioner was out a few Christmases ago. So that one is a mentholy, pepperminty, minty body conditioner. Basically a body conditioner you put on yourself after you've had your shower or your bath, and then you rinse it off, and it's instead of putting body lotion on, so it leaves you very moisturised. It's got loads of cocoa butters and all kinds of goodies in there to add loads of hydration into your skin, but because of the menthol it's very cooling as well, which is fab for if you're in a hot country or for the summer in the UK. It cools you down, it kind of tingles a little bit. It's very odd to describe, but I really enjoyed it when it was out before, so I'm hoping that this one will be just as good. I'm sure I will pick some up at some point. But then we have got some new items as well. So first up we have got the lip scrub that I mentioned earlier, and this one is called Cherry. I love this one as well as the unicorn one from the Valentine's Day range. This one, oh, if I can open it, is a very pink colour and it smells like cherries, but kind of like sweety cherries, not fresh cherries. It's definitely more of a sweet cherry scent. Really like it, and it tastes so good. So I love that. Then we have got a couple of shower gels. There's so much here I can't decide what to show you. So we have got Nana, incredible. I'll tell you a bit more about that in a second. And we've also got Almond Blossom. Now Almond Blossom I'm not a huge fan of, hence why I've only got a tiny one, because I sniffed it in store and I wasn't keen, but I did want to give it a little bit of a try. This one has got almond milk in there. It has also got a kind of woody scent to it, and it smells very much like marzipan. It's a very soft marzipan scent though. It's not too overpowering. Slightly floral, but to me it smells a little bit like chemically. Maybe that's not the right word. I always say it's paint stripper, but it isn't that strong as paint stripper. There's just something there that I'm just not keen on, and I'm not a huge marzipan fan either, so that's why I'm really not a fan of this one. But if you do love marzipan, you're probably going to love this. It's possibly the floral that I'm not keen on as well. The other thing about these shower gels is they're a little bit gloopy. Like when you put them in your hand, they're almost a little bit slimy. Like they like stick when you move them. It's a very strange, but they're definitely a different texture to normal. So that is Almond Blossom. And then we have got Nana, which is incredible. This one smells like Let the Good Times Roll. It's a very dewy, slightly caramelly, slightly custardy goodiness. I just love it. Oh, it smells so good. I love sweet things, I love custard, I love caramel, so it's literally my perfect shower gel. I think I'm going to go get myself a bigger bottle as well because I absolutely love this one. So racing through these products because there are so many. But next is our body lotion. This one is called Pansy, which is quite a new scent to Lush, although it's based on an old product. So it's based on the Olive Branch shower gel. It's a very gentle floral scent. It says here a herbal hug of rosemary, oak moss to give this a distinguished fragrance. So it's a kind of earthy floral, but I have found from using this that it's actually very gentle in scent. It reminds me a little bit of Smuggler's Soul in not the scent but in how gentle the scent is. It's almost not there. Like I don't get much of a scent from it. There's just this very soft florally earthy scent. I really like it. It's not overpowering, so if you wanted something that's scented but just not too heavy, so you could wear a body lotion and then still wear your perfumes and they don't clash, this is definitely worth a try. So it's a really, really gentle scent. That is Pansy. You do have to buy a big tub. I haven't seen the little ones anywhere. This is out of a gift set again, but in store I could only find a big one, so I'm not sure if they are selling it in a smaller pot or not, or if that will come out a little bit later. But if you just wanted to try the little one, there is a beautiful gift set that comes with the perfume and the shower gel and in a gorgeous tin. It's called Pansy. It's one of my favourite gift sets I've ever had. And talking of gift sets, the last two products are only available in a gift set. The gift set they come in is called this. This is Best Friends. Again, it's a gorgeous gift set. You could reuse this box as well for your friend, which is lovely, or you could give it to your friend, which is probably what it's more designed for. It comes with the American Cream shower gel and the Dream Cream body lotion, but then it has these two new products in here as well, which is why I got it, because I wanted to show you them. So first up we have got this, which is the Rainbow Bubble Bar. I couldn't find much information about this online. There doesn't seem to be a bio for it or anything, but the scent is it's really nice. It's described as lemony on the back of the gift set, but I get almost sherbety scent again, a little bit like Love Hearts, that kind of sweetie scent. You do smell the lemon, but it's not citrusy at all, so definitely not a citrusy bubble bar, more of a sweet sherbety scent. But I love the design. Look at those colours, aren't they just beautiful? And then this one was what I was most excited. This is the, just let me get the right name, the Blue Gardenia Salt Cube. Oh, I've wanted to try this for so long. It was released for Lush Harajuku in Japan, but it never came over to England when they brought a few of them over for us English Lushies to try out. This was not part of the range, and I was so sad because it was top of my list to try out. So this is made up of 3 different types of salt. So it's not going to fizz like a normal bath bomb, it's going to drop to the bottom of your bath and the salts are all going to dissolve. I just love the concept of it. It's already crumbling everywhere though, so I think I need to use it up quite quickly because obviously salt absorbs kind of damp in the air and things. But this smells really pretty. It's meant to be lavender and lemon, but I almost get a quite soft, slight florally scent. I really can't smell the lavender, and I think it's the lemon that's coming through. Really, really pretty. I think it's possibly rubbed against this one a little bit, that the kind of scents have merged slightly. So when I leave it out on its own for a little bit, I will obviously do a review on it, which will give me a much better idea of the scent. Again, I will be trying to review a lot of these products as well, which will be on my blog, which is mylushandstuff.com, if you do fancy checking out any of my reviews as well. There's already tons of Valentine's Day ones up over there. Okay, so that is it for the Valentine's Day and spring range from Lush. I hope you have enjoyed it. There are lots of beautiful products, lots of returning ones. There are a couple that I'm not too keen on, but most of them I really do like in this range. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please give us a little thumbs up if you have, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all my other videos. I will of course be doing lots more Lush videos this year, but I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!